Assalamualaikum. My name is Isphahani, and for our Buildbox final quiz, I was given the topic of making a running game. So use a preview of our running game. So you can see the start screen with text, background picture, and a start button. Now this character is controlled by our arrow keys, and if we click it will jump. I'll show this in a bit because I failed unfortunately. However, there's a game over screen, a score screen, and there's also a restart button, which is a new addition to previous games. When you click this, the game will restart. Now as you can see, you can jump and you can move around. See, this is a very good game, and when you die, it releases a lot of debris or some blocks. Debris you could call them, but I used a block texture. So that was the preview, and now some code of this. For example, our handler is very simple, it's just a block. However, such as the player is very difficult to code, as it needs if collide, defeat, debris explosion, and event. And there's also two types of movements: the jump movement, the automatic movement, and the keyboard movement, which are both somewhat difficult to make. Now on to the diamond. The diamond is basically it's a downloaded asset from the Buildbox shop, asset library. I mean, it is it's very useful, and it also has an animation. When you collect it, it makes an animation and it tingles. Now from this, we can see in the hierarchy. Here is all our UI and navigation screens. You can see. So when there's a start button, here's the UI screen, the starting UI screen. You can see the start button, the text, and the running game. Here you can see the points, the point screen, score, and this is a point measure. Like every time you collect something, it will count as a point. And this event observer is used to basically, if the event plays of game over, it will take us to the game over screen. And this game over screen right here has the game over text, the total score which we collected, and a restart button right here. When we click it, it will take us back to the game right here. It will take us back to the game. That's all. Thank you.